Hey guys, this is Ganesh. Welcome back to Ganesh Jadhav Automation Studio.
So today we are going to learn about the how to automate HTTP delete a request. So these terms basically we are going to learn. But the thing is, what is meant by the HTTP delete request? So whenever we want to delete a particular resource on the server, or whenever we want to delete the particular data on the server, that time delete request we have to use. These are the CURD operation basically we have, and this is the last CURD operation we have. So how to delete that terms? Like here you can see, guys. Suppose we have a this website which is provided us the mock data. Here you can see we have a delete request we have. You can see this is a delete request. So with the help of this delete request, you can able to delete the particular data. Okay, with the help of this delete request, we can able to delete the particular data. Now you can see, guys, suppose we have a this create a data API. So whenever I'm just hitting this request, you can see my data is going to create over here. Okay, and whenever I want to delete this data, so simple, I just need to use this URL. You can see this is a copy paste URL we have. You can see simple, I'm opening this URL. I just copy this URL where, guys, here in this postman tool, and this is the HTTP delete method we have to set over here. So while deleting the data, you don't need to pass any, like, let me check, do we need to pass any data over here? You can see we don't need to pass any data. I just need to simple passing the path parameter. Path parameter, it means, guys, whatever ID we have of this data, to ID we have, and we are passing that ID, and based on that we are going to delete the data. Once I'm send on this send button, here you can see my data is going to successfully delete. But how we will get to know our data is going to successfully deleted or not? So you can see, guys, we have a status code here, like status 204 no content. It means, guys, our data is successfully going to delete, and once your data is deleted, your server is not going to return anything to you. Okay, so this is the thing basically I want to tell you guys. Now how to automate this thing? So simple, guys, I'm just going to create a one more method over here, test, and the method name I'm going to write down public void verify what, guys, verify post verify delete method. I'm going to write down over here. Once this is done, now I need to write down what, guys, in this test method. I'm just providing the description, so you will get a clear visibility description. Verify what, guys, delete method. Okay, delete or HTTP delete method I'm going to write down over here. Okay, once this is done, now what exactly I'm trying to do, guys? Simple, I just need to use over here a response interface which is provided by the REST assured framework, and here we are gathering the response. So what exactly we are going to do now? We are building the particular request. So how to build the request, guys? Based on the REST assured rest assured dot given method we have to use, because I already told you, you can watch my previous session as well, videos as well about the rest assured HTTP methods like get, put, post. You can see, guys, in that also this is a request builder we have to do. So rest assured is a class we have, and your rest assured framework mainly worked in given when then. Given, it means, guys, whenever we want to set the particular prerequisite, when it means want to perform the action, and then it means, guys, we want to validate the response. So given, once we're done with these things, guys, we are going to pass the data in a JSON response. So we have to pass the header which is named as a content type, and what content type we are going to pass? JSON content type we are going to pass. Once this is done, now here in this request we need to pass the path parameter. But before that, I just need to mention what, guys, URL. So string base URL I'm going to pass over here. Base URL is equal to, in double quote, I'm just passing the base URL. Now what is our base URL? You can see this is our base URL. So simple, I'm going to pass this base URL, and I'm just pasting this base URL over here. And now here you can see, guys, while sending the while sending the post request, you can see, guys, while sending the delete request, we need to pass this changing URL. This is path we have to pass. But while this path, you can see, guys, we need to send a particular path parameter. So in this path parameter, we have to send, guys. So what we have to do, we have to write down path parameter. You can see path param, this method we have to use, and what we are passing, page number we are passing, right? So I'm just writing down page number, comma, and I'm going to provide a value over here. This is how basically we have to pass. Once this is done, now we have to write down what is log dot all method we have to write down. So with the help of this log dot all method, we are going to print the all request. And once this is done, so this is how the request we have to done. And then what we have to do, guys, we have to use the when action. So how to use this dot when action we have to use. Okay, once we are done with this when action, we are going to perform delete method. We are going to perform what, guys? Delete method. And here we are going to pass the URL. Delete base URL plus whatever URL we have. Which URL we have, guys? Suppose we have a this URL, or you can copy the URL from here as well. You can say this is our URL. So simple, I'm just need to copy this URL. So you can see, guys, this is the URL we have to pass. Okay, once we are passing this URL, what we have to do, guys, you just need to simple paste this URL over here. And instead of passing to, I'm just passing the path parameter over here. So what we have to pass in the curly bracket, we have to pass page number over here. Okay, once this is done, what we have to do, we need to provide the semicolon. And this is how our request builder done is successfully. Now we are going to print the response. Whatever response we are going to print, we are going to print. So response dot what, guys? Log uh, response dot what, guys? Sorry, then method we have to use, dot log method we have to use, dot all method we have to use. Once this is done, I'm going to verify the assertion over here, assert that. And once this is done, dot what we are going to verify, guys? Status code I'm going to verify. What is our status code? Example 204 is my status code. Usually this status code we have getting now. You can see, guys, here is also we have getting a 204 status code, and here is also we have getting a 204 status code. So this is what we have to verify. And once this is done, what we need to do, guys, you can see simple. I'm done with my request. And now what I'm going to do, I'm going to run my program. And you can see, guys, my script is going to successfully run or not, that we are going to verify. So here your delete method is not going to return you the any body. Okay, so we just need to verify the status code over there. And you can see, guys, my script is going to run successfully over here. If once this is done, we are going to check what is our URL. Here you can see this is our URL we have. If I'm scrolling down here, you can see, guys, this is a content and this is a header basically we pass. When this is done, here you can see, guys, we don't have any body, so that is why body is not going to print over here. And even it is not going to return any data, any response, so that is why it is not going to print. And you can say this is the response we have, http to http. This is a status we have, and you can see 204 status code basically we are getting, and no content data we will get. So this is how basically we have to verify, we have to automate the http delete method in a REST assured framework, guys. Okay, thanks for watching, guys.